Rama Dehesa Mountain Residences in Sumulong Highway in Antipolo. It's a beautiful 1.4 hectare, very small community, about 105 units. This is the gate, security gate.
Baka may kumaway sa'yo.
This is the model house, which is about to be completed by the end of February, and it's gonna be blessed on March, sometime in March. It's composed of three townhouses. So as you can see, it's still being developed. No streets yet. Streets is gonna be started on March. But it's a very small community of just about over 100 units.